Secure the two drive backplanes to the drive cage with 3 screws. Slide the drive cage into the slot in the PCIe expansion tray and align the screw holes on the drive cage with those on the tray. Secure the drive cage with 2 screws. Connect the 7mm drive cables to the backplane. Install the PCIe expansion tray and the chassis air baffle. Connect the 7mm drive cables to the system board. Install the PCIe riser cages or fillers. Install the top cover. Install the 7mm drives or fillers into the drive cage.